just some other stuff I'm going to go over. I have two layers here. Now, to select between them, you just kind of toggle like that. And what you'll see is if I zoom in, eventually I get to where I can actually see the points. I don't just see the heat map anymore, but if I zoom out, then I'll just have the heat map. And this is accomplished by changing the visibility of the layer. So if I go over here to layer properties and I go to visible range, you'll see that from here onwards, so from this being the top level where I could see, and that being where I start to see, so I have to kind of cross this boundary to begin to see them. This is where I can unlock that. Now, if I go back to my layers, pick this other one, go to its properties, its visible range is the whole spectrum. So I see it even when I see the points. But what I can do is I can change the settings so that way, as soon as I don't see the heat map anymore, that's where I see the points, right at this level right here. So